In this video, we're looking at the number of different combinations someone can choose from if they have a range of possibilities. So for example, here's our first example. Neil is picking out a new skateboard. The skateboard can be tan or dark brown, and the wheels can be yellow, green, orange, or pink. How many different combinations does Neil have to choose from? So let's start from the beginning. He can either choose a tan or a dark brown skateboard. Once he's chosen one of those two options, then he can choose the wheels to be either yellow, green, orange, or pink. So he can choose that in tan, or he can choose that in dark brown, yellow, green, orange, or pink. So ultimately, he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different possible combinations he can choose from. This next example says, Katie is planning a holiday. She can go to the ocean, a city, or the mountains. For each place, she can get there by taking a train, a van, a bus, or an airplane. She can then stay at an RV park or a motel. Given these choices, how many different combinations does Katie have to choose from? So I'm going to solve this question in the same way. I like this visual drawing of a kind of flow chart. So we have the possibilities of the ocean, the city, or the mountains. For each of those, she could either take a train, a van, a bus, or an airplane. Okay, so I've written that in there. And then after that, she can choose to stay at either an RV park or a motel. So RV or motel. Okay, so I've written all those in. That leaves us with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 possible combinations. A faster way to do that next time might be to just sort of write out the first ones, and keep in mind this is mirrored in each of the other options. So I might have just said, okay, there's 4 possible options after we've decided on the ocean, the city, or the mountains. And then for each of those 4, there's 2. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8 options, different combinations rather with the ocean, 8 different combinations with the city, 8 different combinations with the mountain, total combination of 24, or total number of combinations, 24. The last example says, Justine is going out for a pasta dinner. She can choose penne, shell, macaroni, or fettuccine pasta. And she can have meat, pesto, or garlic sauce. Each dinner then comes with either a choice of zucchini, asparagus, or mushrooms. How many different combinations can Justine have for dinner? So I'm going to show you kind of how I do this a little faster this time. So our options originally are penne, shell, macaroni, or fettuccine. Then she has the option of meat, pesto, or garlic sauce. So I'm noticing that's three options. And then once she's got those, then it's a choice of zucchini, asparagus, or mushrooms. So there's 3 there, 3 for that one, 3 for that one. So with our penne option, she ends up having 3, 6, 9 possible choices. So 9 there, 9 with the shell, 9 with the macaroni, 9 with the fettuccine. So that gives us 36 possible combinations in total. If it's easier for you to write it all out so you can see it visually, do it. If you don't need to do that, this is a little faster. Whatever works for you. Good luck with this section.